Sample problem. From the datasheet below, for a 590 watt PV module, calculate the panel VOC at 30 degrees Celsius. Solution. Our formula is equal to Vx is equal to VSTC plus the quantity gamma times quantity Tx minus TSTC. Voltage at 30 degrees Celsius is equal to voltage at STC, which is equal to 47.8, plus the quantity negative 0.24, which is the temperature coefficient of VOC as per the datasheet, times the quantity 30, which is the panel temperature, minus 25, which is the temperature at STC. Therefore, V at 30 degrees Celsius is equal to 46.6 volts. As you can see, because the voltage temperature is higher than the STC, the module VOC is reduced. For a PV string with 29 panels, the string VOC will be reduced from 1,386 volts DC to 1,351 volts DC due to the 5-degree temperature difference from STC.